Hey y'all, what is up everybody? What is up YouTube? Sparky Marky here, and I'm back to do a review and unboxing of an item. What item do I have here in questioning? As you obviously know the title, it's a watch review. It's a Citizen. What kind? And no chit chat, let's open it up. Alright, slide it out. It's very a shame that the previous one didn't came with the other packaging that was like a tank or so. So yeah, but I got it for a good deal during what was it? Labor Day. So yeah. Okay. Here's your manual. You have to follow these instructions, go to the website, do the registry. Yep, that's the service number. Here's the watch in general, but oh, it's not there. Here it is. Amazing. And here's the bracelet in questioning. That's why my buddy works at Citizen and Dolphin Mall puts tape around them for the pins here for the watch. So yeah, I'm leaving here, I'm leaving them there. Here's the watch in general. Alrighty folks, so here it is. And this is how it's packaged. Let me just take it off very, very slowly, shall we? So now it's in the bag, the automatic sticker that you saw. So yeah, look at it very carefully, folks. Made in Japan, very cool. Here it is, everything. Very unique. Weighs amazing. So how am I gonna put this with? A real rubber FKM quick release rubber strap from the folks over at Strap Habit. And just recently, folks, judging from right now if you're getting this, there was a sale on Black Friday, so you better get it. Maybe you save a few bucks. The link will be in the description, folks, for either members or returning customer. So yeah, just a quick head start. Make sure you're going to put this in the right place for the watch. So here's a quick release section. It takes difficulty, or anybody can master it. Okay, so please, folks, pay close attention. Ignore that, folks. So yeah, I had to make sure you push this in, like go right in first and then hold it in position and release it. Okay, that was one part for the strap. Next one would be for this one, for the buckle. And also, let's be clear, it's size 22 millimeters. So before you buy the watch, you have to tell them what size for the strap so you can change it however you like it. Okay, so here, folks, is what you're going to be looking at. Okay, you got that clear here. And you see that? Voila. Now it fits. Now the strap is buckled together. So yeah, and if you can see this, folks, hold on a second. Oh, even when it's screwed in tight, you could still do this so the movement can go. Huh. There we go. Right date. That's not the right date. Here it is. So yeah, that's how it is, and you guys want to hear the click. And anybody that doesn't know much about watches, you already obviously know this thing that's circling is the seconds. There's your minute, and this small hand is your hour hand. That's right. Let's hear the bezel clicking. There you go, and it's back to where you were. Let's take a quick look how it looks on the Sparky wrist. You know, girls with a couple from Tokyo died about a week ago. All right, so here it is, folks. That's a couple holes to the top. Let's see how many holes did I have to put. 1, 2, 5. Huh. Depends on how big is your wrist, so you want to feel it tight. 5 or 6 holes to fit it in. So yeah, amazing watch of this year. Came out in January. So yeah, it's your choice if you want to have the bracelet on or keep the bracelet, and you can put on a different strap, or you can put on a nylon strap, a NATO. But you have to make sure the size of the strap is 22 millimeters. So yeah. And the movement's amazing. Let's just view at it. Very good. And it's a Japan movement. 21 jewels to be exact. And it's here's yeah, that's all there is to know. Amazing movement and everything. Alrighty. So now let's play music of 2024. Like now. Alright, so we're going to be playing a song from 2024, and the song is called The Shroud of My Lies by ELFL. So enjoy, folks. that was L. Phil with The Shroud of My Lies from 2024, folks. So yeah, what do you think of the music? What do you think of the watch? What do you think of it? And also, let me know in the comments what you think of it. Heck. And also, what were you doing this year, y'all, in 2024? Let me know, folks. Whatever it is. But what do you think of the video and the content and the music? And if you like content like this or other content, please click the bell and the subscribe button to be notified when new uploads. Like the videos, always appreciate thumbs ups. If you have any opinions related to the content, comments down below. That's right. So yeah, I'm in the YouTube community. I often post what time I post videos at a certain time, whether it be the early afternoon hours or the early evening hours. So keep an eye on that in the YouTube community. Also, creator, and as of recent, if you saw my post for the Creator VC sales, that ends on December 10th. Get your copies of the In Search of Darkness trilogy or anything available, physical media related. The link is there, and the link is in the description box down below. As well as for the Strap Habit Black Friday sale. Probably it's still going on Cyber Monday, I'm not so sure. But, yeah. But I don't know if it's going on anyway, but check it out anyway. So yeah, and also let's give a shout outs to the collectors out there, to the physical media collectors, the watch collectors, toy collectors, autograph collectors, and all you collectors out there. Shout outs to you all, folks. Shout outs to you all. And also, shouts to my subscribers. You know who you all are. All you kitty cats and dogs out there. So yeah. Anyways, y'all. This is Sparky Marky Mark signing off. Y'all take care. God bless you. Enjoy Monday. And welcome to December. Feliz Navidad, y'all. And later.